ngithi mina it's because angizwa uyezwa ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no IO weCase yami against your Kenneth uyezwa uthi wenze kahle wazizela because ngiyakufuna noJacinta uyangizwa isizwe leso Zulu noma ufuna uzokutolikela ngoba mina ngikutolikela futhi ufenda wena wrong la mama I'm saying to you iloya kaJacinta ifonelwe yimi uzuma noJacinta ngimtshela ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuneka
the very same lawyer agreed with the IO that either you and other people come at a later date take calling them not
lalela awungizwa ukuthi ngithini yezwa yini awungizwa ukuthi ngithini ngithi no sorry ma that's not harassment that's not ngeke ngishiye ngikhuluma no mise wena kangilalela mise wena ngilalela ngeke uzungishiye kanje ukhuluma ngento address case ngide case yengane yami elimene oqhubekayo isikhathi wena mina ngifuna umsize manje I'm not talking about the court cases. Remember, I told you I was coming from a police station. Ngidinga usizo manje. Nifonele nantso ukuthi ngimele ngisengiselami. Even udokotela kwazi ukukhalisa i-J88.
Here we are. How do I assist now here?
Nithe angize la udokotela ufuna nize kwanini esibhedlela nengikhale for J88. Uthi uKenneth wakho angime la. Angisizakele ngithi kuphele 4 hours wena ucabanga ukuthi aphathemile yoKenneth ubani nomayeza okuyena ovulele case la ayisuka anifunela umuntu onengqondo wazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani hamba ngakini yosebenza ngakini sikhuluma isiZulu ukukile hawu vele ikhitha soyidila namakorekoreko wena uyasikorezela mawuqala ukuthi amakorekore abantu abamakhaya isiZulu sithi umuthi kwere ngingakuzwa uyangikwerezela hayi ukuthi sithi ikwerekore ngokungakhathi uyikorekore ngwane suka la Ningivulele la.